up, guys? Josh with Navigate the Wild. Here with my brother-in-law, Paul. He's a little shy. We're gonna see what it's like to put up a buddy stand with no heavy equipment today, so that should be fun. Stand by. My brother-in-law was able to get into the hunt club this year, which is awesome. But this is what happens, folks, when you gotta do stuff the hard way. We leave the chainsaw at home, and we use hand saws like cavemen. We set out to put up with the buddy stand that he had in his old one. It's just tough to do without the proper tools. So I didn't even ask questions. We should have came out here with my chainsaw and a few other handy tools, maybe an even extension ladder would have been nice. But you do what you do and you make do with what you got. And so we figured it out. I have no idea. This is when the fun begins. Doesn't help when you're not 6 foot. Yeah. Hold that here for a second. Look at that, a ladder we found in the middle of nowhere. You could rest it on that tree. Is it hung up on these vines up here? It's not going anywhere, so we're good. Push a little more. I'm trying to see what it's stuck on. Okay, we're gonna go back there, ladder where you can get underneath it, and we're gonna push together.
You tell me when you're ready.
On 3. 1, 2, up. Hold on. Let it down now.
Yep.
And you're gonna let it hook into the ground. Each, we're gonna inch it by inch. Okay.
Yep. You ready?
No. Hold on. 1, 2, up. Fix these vines, man. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Viewer discretion advised. Don't try this at home. This is stupid. But that's what happens in the woods sometimes. 1, 2, hop. If your stand is messed up and you need to reposition and you want to risk, or you don't want to risk letting it fall, you ratchet it to the tree loosely just so it stays in place. And then you don't have to worry about it at least losing ground.
If you had your sticks right now, this wouldn't be a problem.
Well, I did this myself last time. Imagine that.
All right, we don't have to worry about it moving. Get up there. Got it. Okay. And is this going to go on a ratchet strap? No, that's just to pull it straight.